What's goody? What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. Right now we're about to go over to the stores, try to knock out some suspension stuff on the Honda, and we're gonna actually officially today go buy an engine hoist so that way we can pull the motor and the trans out of the Honda and start putting the all-wheel drive brackets in. Right now I'm at my boy Bradley's house watching his pup, you know, Tank, who's my dog. So I'm watching his dog while they're out of town. So let's head over to the storage, knock out some suspension stuff. But first I gotta stop by AutoZone. Hey Bradley, if you watching this, man, next time leave me the keys, man. Leave me the keys, let me drive it, man. I'll fill up the tank, don't worry about it. I won't crash it. Well, let me drive the car next time, man. Yeah, leave the car here and don't leave me the keys. Disrespect. Dog race my Mini Cooper, man. I've been telling them the same thing, man. This thing's just a daily, that's it, man. That thing gets 400, yeah, it gets 36 miles to the gallon, 400 miles till E. I just drive this thing, bro. I'm not race this thing. It's quick, it has a little pep, but ain't nothing serious to where I need to be racing it. Probably on like a track or something, but I wouldn't race this thing. Yes, sir. At AutoZone, grab a couple parts. Might as well. I wasn't gonna plan on doing it, but might as well. So I think I made it. What do you think? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, you got it. I think I made it. Which one should I grab? I always grab the mobile one. Take for 20,000 miles. Advanced full synthetic. What am I gonna get right here? Made it. Got some gloves too while I'm at it. Got the tie rods, man. I go back in there and get the ball joints. Probably later. Right now, we just got the tie rods. So we really need these for right now. Damn, it's a fucking mess in here. So I gotta start moving all this shit. But we're working on that today. Once I move all of this out the way. Let me clean this up and then I'll be right back with y'all. Voila. That's how you do it, man. It's YouTube magic. Don't ask me how I did it. Just know. You know, snap, glove come on, floor gets clean. So like I was saying, we gotta remove this axle because the whole motor has to come out. We have to remove these tie rods, tie rod, axle, lower ball joint, upper ball joint, because this one's done as well. So I'm glad I bought that. I bought this whole control arm. I bought brand new tie rods, and I bought lower control arms as well, so we could take those out. I'm trying to think what else I got. I think that's it for right now, but right now let's take all this stuff out. All right, so I went ahead and I already took this one off. I just wanted to see. I ain't never really took the front suspension all the way off on this car, so I just want to see how hard it was. I guess I'll record a little bit of me taking the other side off. It's annoying, but got it all out. These right here, they get stuck, so just letting you know. Go buy the tool to remove this one, which I don't feel like doing, but I might have to. This is the only one that's stuck. All right, just got back from AutoZone, and like I said, that one little lower ball joint that's stuck, we normally get this tool right here It's like 17 bucks at, you know, O'Reilly's. I'm probably gonna keep this one. You know, if you keep it, you know, they don't. It's not they come and kill you or something like that. Hey, bro, just $17 part instead of 100 or something bucks. So, get this off, and then we'll be able to get that whole arm off and take it over to Southwest Speeds and use their press to press all the joints and stuff out. So like I said, got both the wheel hubs out, the whole thing. I just got to take these off. These are stuck as well, so I'm going to use this tool to remove these as well. I removed the other one already because I was in a rush. What I'm going to do is probably take these to Southwest, pull off these hubs with the slide hammer, and then we'll start to clean them up and paint them and get them ready to install back on here with the new subframe. And you know, I already painted the subframe over here. Subframe's painted. The steering rack is inside the Subi. I put it in there just because I had nowhere to put it. It's ready to go. So we just got to clean these up. Like I said, I got new upper control arms coming. I got new lower control arms coming. So those lowers have to come off. But I'm going to take the whole subframe off, and it's going to take all that out. Possibly Harbor Freight was out of engine hoist. I don't know how in the world they didn't have any engine hoist, but Harbor Freight was out of engine hoist. So I have to go try to source one for maybe Facebook Marketplace, see if one of my friends can let me borrow one of theirs. Just so I can get this motor and trans out of here, so we can clean up this engine bay and get this ready. Engine bay is already clean, just needs to like go spray down and clean and all that. So this is all ready to go, ready to pull out. Get that done once we get this done. So once we pull this out, clean all this up and put the new transmission on, new subframe goes in, new control arms, then all this stuff, like we're gonna get new wheel hubs and all that. All this stuff's gonna go in. I got new wheel hubs, new bearings on the way. I'm trying to think what else I got. I'm basically trying to replace the whole front end, the whole fucking suspension, all that, every nut and bolt on the front. I'm still trying to decide if I should get that Willwood big brake kit for the front of this car. I'm thinking I'm just gonna just say fuck it and get it. I already bought steel braided brake lines for the front, so if I'm doing steel braided brake lines, I might as well just get the Willwood fucking kit. It's like 600 bucks, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and buy that, get that out the way. That way we can have some stopping power on this car. But let's head over to Southwest with our hubs and everything. That way we can get them all cleaned up. You already know where I be. Yes, sir. Oh man, I'm waiting for Angel and them to get back so that way we can start tearing everything off these hubs. Alright man, so we're running around looking for a ball joint remover for a Honda. My man Angel didn't have one. And we also need a slide hammer. The Angel slide hammer is like too small, so I'm trying to see if we can find one. I found this ball joint remover, but now we need to set the bits that go for a Honda. Here's a little number if you ever want to use it. But yeah, we need this one, and then you're supposed to have the bits as well for the Honda. So right now I'm running around looking for the Honda bits. So into the trouble of going ahead and remove all this shit. Took the bearings out. They were trash, so I didn't want to show, you know, I didn't want to keep them on the table or anything. Like even the lower ball joints are like all destroyed. So the only thing I kept was these rings just in case. Just in case those things are like back order or something. I still have them. I kept the dust shields. Dust shields are really good condition. That's like scary good for like a Honda. So I kept my dust shields. But these things are all done. So I'm gonna get some new ones. Probably press them in and then be able to get all this stuff done and ready to go. Right now I'm just helping out Angel build this Corvette clutch and everything. Stacy and all them is over there jamming, so